Taking this pink blush that I use as a blush, of course, I'm placing this color all over my eyelid, and this is going to be my transition color. Next, taking this plum-like purple color, I'm placing that in my outer corner of my eyes, and then I'm just going to drag it to the inner corners just a little bit. I'm not going to make it too dramatic because I want this look to look nice and soft. Now I'm going to use this shimmery like silver color, and I'm just keeping it right there in the inner corner of my eye. I'm just really packing that color into my inner corner because I want it to really pop. I want my eyes to look nice and flirty for this Valentine's Day. You know, you want to look into your man's eye and just, give him that look. I'm blending this color out with the first shade that I used so everything can look nice and seamless. And I'm just going to place that same color and put it in my brow bone to make my brow bones really pop. And you want everything to be well blended, so I'm going to use the first shade, which is my transition color, and just blend the edges of that highlighter out. Now I'm going to use this pink color, and this pencil is by NYX. I'm placing that in my bottom lash line. With the second color that I used, the plum-like purple color, I'm just placing this in my bottom lash line and smoking it out. I'm making sure that I let it meet up to the outer crease part of my eye and letting the color meet up so it looks well seamless and blended. So I placed my lashes on off camera as usual, and I'm just using this Wet n Wild mascara just to blend my lashes in with the falsies. And using the same shimmer silver color that I placed in my inner corners of my eyes, I'm just putting it at the bottom inner corners. So this is going to make my eyes appear wider, and it's going to give me that flirtatious look that we want for Valentine's Day. Now using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, I'm just highlighting my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin. I'm not going to go in my forehead because my forehead is already a little bit big, so I don't want to make it appear even bigger. So I'm just going to highlight my under eyes, my nose, and my chin area and just blend it out. Like I said before, as I'm blending, I make sure that I don't drag it all the way out to my temples because, when you take your photos, it gives you that Casper look. Like, we don't want to look like ghosts out here. We don't like that ashy flashback look. And you want to make sure you blend out the edges of that concealer so everything looks seamless. Now, using my Benign Banana powder, I'm just setting my under eyes and just setting all my highlighted areas. And guys, don't make the same mistake that I did because I should have done my under eye makeup before I actually done this process because I kind of erased my under eye makeup and I have to go back in and fix it, but that's fine. So you just really want to press that powder into your skin, make sure that all your highlighted areas are set so that it can last all night. Taking my powder brush and using my Maybelline Fit Me compressed powder. This powder is actually a powder that I set my foundation with. So as I'm dusting away all the excess Benign Banana powder, I'm pressing that into my under eye highlighted areas as well as setting my foundation. And to me, this technique, it tones down the highlight, and makes it not seem so ashy. As I'm contouring my nose, I'm dragging it up to my under my eyebrow. What? I cannot talk today. I'm dragging it up under my eyebrow to make my nose appear even straighter. And this blush is actually the same color that I put in my as my transition color, which is the first eyeshadow that I used. And using my benign banana powder, I'm just cleaning up my contour and blush and making it look even, you know, defined and make my jaws look slimmer. And right here, I'm just doing the same exact thing that I've done to my under eyes, just blending away all the excess powder, making, you know, everything look seamless. Now I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, and my chin area. I noticed, guys, that actually setting your face first makes your highlight pop even more. But honey, watch this when I set my face. Yes, let me tell y'all something. I was feeling myself because I knew as soon as I set my face that everything will come together and it will look like skin all over again. Now I'm just outlining my lips with my my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the color brown, and I'm applying this pink Victoria's Secret lip gloss for the final touches. And there you have it, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching my tutorial today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And you know, don't be afraid to leave your comments. I would really like to know what you guys think about my Valentine's Day tutorial. Bye.